learners, welcome to the course on Management of Human Resources. Myself, Nayantara Padhi, I am your course instructor. I am sure before enrolling for this course, all of you must have had three basic queries. What is this course all about? Why is it necessary to enroll for this particular course? And how easy or difficult it will be to complete. Now I am going to clarify these queries and also introduce you to this very interesting course. Be it human resources or management of human resources, both are equally important for any organization. HRM encompasses the management of people in organization from a macro perspective, that is, managing people in the form of a collective relationship between management and employees. It is also a strategic function of a management wherein HR policies are formulated in alignment with strategic goals of the organization. HRM links the people related activities to business strategy. This particular course develops a critical understanding of the role and functions of various human resource activities in an organization. It provides with a comprehensive review of key HRM concepts, techniques and issues. This course will be beneficial to all of you who want to pursue their career in HRM and even for those who do not want to enter into a career in human resources. I am sure on completion of this course you will be able to appreciate the importance of HRM as a field of study and as a critical management function. Explain the meaning and concept of HRM, describe all the HR functions and apply the principles and methods of HRM gained through this course for managing human resources at the workplaces. Now, the course covers broadly four functions of HRM, that is staffing management, compensation management, human resource development, employee relations and employment relations. Now coming to the structure of the course, the course is divided into 6 blocks. The first block is about the present context, concept and boundaries of human resource management. Block 2 will teach you about how to recruit, how to induct and how to orient the employees, that is getting the human resources. Block 3 will teach you all about performance management, potential assessment, the methods, the advantages and disadvantages. The block 4 is about human resource development, that is about training, assessment centers and how people are taught about career development. The block 5 is about compensation and rewards management and the last block is all about the employer-employee relations, the labor laws, the industrial relations. Each block has been divided into 3 to 4 units covering the concepts, theories and the methods. In total there are 22 units in this course. In order to help you all to complete the syllabus at your self-pace, a 4-quadrant approach has been adopted while designing this course. They are video lectures, digital study materials and web resources, contact with your course instructor and finally assessment to check your progress. The course is of 6 credits. The course will be delivered using a total of 60 videos expanding over 16 weeks time span. You need to spend 80 hours in total for completing this course. Happy learning and I wish you all the best.
Thank you.